Jain students, hope you all are good. So today we're going to start with the first chapter, that is The Fun They Had, from the book Behave, written by Isaac Asimov. Firstly, the students, those who are not having books, they can check the content on CBSE site, or you can purchase it from Tuckshop or from your friends who have passed out. Okay. So the fun they had you can understand is used for past form, something that is happened. Now the fun they had means in the past. Who, they word is used for whom, that we will study in this chapter, and you will later on automatically tell me that who they are. Okay, so this chapter is written in future. Future means that it is an imaginative story. A writer used his imagination that what will happen in the future. This will come from a diary date, that is 17th May 2157. That means this chapter is written in future, that is 17th May 2157. This is basically a comparison between old school and new schools. Okay, the main characters of the story is Tommy, who is 13 years old, and Margie, who is 11-year-old. Okay, firstly, as you can see the picture in your book, that is schools of the future. How the schools of the future gonna be like? क्या चीजें होंगी future schools में? Firstly, as you can see, learning through computers, that is still going on. We are also learning through computers. Then is virtual classrooms. Virtual classrooms is smart classes and many more things that we are also having. Next is moving e-text. That means when you see the news headlines that are scrolling under that screen, that are moving e-text. That means that text is running on the screen. Then comes robotic teacher. This is something strange that gonna be happen in future, that the teachers are not gonna be person, female or a male, but are robotics. Okay, and now let's start the chapter. In the chapter, as you know, that we have two characters, Tommy and Margie. They found a book. And Margie was quite amazed to see the book, as she has never seen such book before. This is the first time that she saw the book. उससे पहले उसने books कभी देखी ही नहीं थी. Now they have given the description of the book. How they have described that book, that the book pages were yellow and crinkly. Pages were of yellow color. That shows that the book is very, very old. And words stood still instead of moving. This is the amazing fact for them, that in the book the words are not moving, but Margie and Tommy always saw the words moving on the screen. They always seen the words moving on the screen, on the computer, on the whatever they had. Okay, now the book, Tommy found it in an attic. In an attic you can say storeroom, and it is about school. It gives the description. Okay, this gives us the description of school. This old book gives us the description of school. Okay, in between we come to know something about Margie and about her robotic teacher. Margie hates her school a lot, very much. Why? The large, black, ugly screen, and the most was the slot where she had to put homework and test. Firstly, she hates her school, that ugly big screen. She don't like that screen much. That is the robotic teacher. And secondly, the slot, a portion where she has to put homework and test. That means they also have to do the homework and test. Secondly, she was performing badly in geography. This geography subject, she's not performing good in this. Thus her mother called the county inspector. County inspector is actually a mechanic. Now don't pronounce it country inspector. This is a mechanic, to check the robotic teacher, because something is wrong with that robotic teacher, that this girl name, Margie is not performing well in this subject. When the county inspector came, he said that geography sector was geared a little too quick. That means that geography जो sector है वो उसकी speed ज़्यादा हो गई थी, ठीक है. That sector was geared up too quick and he slowed it up to an average 10-year level, and Margie is 11 years old. That means that he set the robotic teacher to her individual level, to her compatible level. Okay, this can be asked that what happened to that robotic teacher, what happened to that geography sector. Okay, now this also happened once with Tommy's teacher. What happened? That Tommy's teacher was completely blanked out and was taken away for 1 month. Okay, was completely blank out. Sorry, I missed one thing. Completely blank out history sector. That means that history portion was completely blank out and was taken away for 1